Here's Uhale app embrace every moment. So you can just tap get to double and just install it. The Uhale app is an application that syncs your album to an electronic digital photo frame from your phone. After binding the photo frame with the invitation code or QR code, photos and videos can be sent to the frame through the app. After sending successfully, you can manage the photos in the frame. So best wishes, multi-device connection, device share, photo share, and video clips, history. Here you can just find it. You can just add all of these frames. Um, so yeah, that's the idea. Um, you just need the device in here. Then you can try to create an account in here. So with Apple or Facebook, that's just how it works. So super fast. Login successful, skip it. And then here is the gallery. You can select different frames, how to add a frame. So just scan the QR code and then you can add a frame. Then you have history, and then you have your account. So super easy. If you have this URL frame, then you can just add it like that. So yeah, that's basically the idea. A lot of people like it. It's a lot of ratings, very straightforward and easy to use app.